Alright guys, time back with another unboxing. It is Inuyasha Volume 18. The Demon Within. This is where Inuyasha faces his father's old enemy. And somehow, I forgot how he got it, possesses the backlash wave. Anyway, got the front with Inuyasha facing, I forgot that dragon's name or demon or whatever. But anyway, front, spine, back. This one has episodes 52 to 54, scenes. Ready. This one might be a lot simpler to do since it's not like the other cases or whatever. This one's a flimmy ass case. The other ones are tough. This one sucks. But they're the easiest to open, I think. Most they'd all come in like this. But most of them are different. They have different cases. Oh, there we go. But anyway, there's the disc art. There's the pamphlet. There's the episodes. And the next one will be starting on season 3. Like I always say, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.